Hello, I am Heather, and today we are going to discuss Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. Patanjali was an Indian sage or rishi who is believed to have wrote or compiled the Yoga Sutras about 2,000 years ago. There is some speculation that there may have been more than just Patanjali, the man, who contributed to the Yoga Sutras. He is considered one of the forefathers of yoga nonetheless. So what exactly are sutras? When I think of sutras, I think of stitches, and it actually means, sutra means to thread together, to wind. The yoga sutras are short phrases or sentences of yogic logic that Patanjali would pass down to his students. They originated in about 4000 BCE, before they could even write or scribe on anything. So they had to be very short in order to be memorized and passed verbally. These would be passed verbally, these sutras or wisdom, down to other rishis, other sages. And eventually these sutras were written down on scrolls, or maybe there were leaves, to now in this century where we can read about the sutras and Patanjali in a book that we can pick up from the library, or we can pick up through Amazon or through your local bookshop. There are about 195, some say 196 sutras in total. They were written in Sanskrit. Sanskrit is an ancient Indian language that is transcribed for us in North America to English. There are 151 sutras in book 1 of Patanjali Sutras. I'm going to talk just about a few of them that mean something to me, and then we will do a relaxing meditation at the end of this presentation. Atha Yoga Anusha Anum. Atha means now, an auspicious or very important moment. Yoga means to unite or to join. You can think of it to unite the body and mind. And Anushasanam is our step-by-step instructions. So Atha Yoga Anusha Anum means right now is the time. It's so important. We're going to start this journey. And it is the time in which I'm choosing to do yoga, to join my mind and body. And if I follow the instructions of this particular sutra, this very first sutra, I will one day, no guarantee when, achieve peace and enlightenment. The second sutra in book 1 is Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodhah. The restraint or modification of the mind is yoga. Our reflection is our reality. And isn't that true? Rings through today, even though this was written 2,000 years ago. Our reflection, what we see, what we believe, what we have in our mind will become our reality. If we can control the risings of the mind into ripples, if we can control the rising of the mind, turning them into ripples, we will experience yoga. Chitta means all of the mind. There is the ego or the I feeling, the buddhi, which is our conscious or our knowledge, and the manas, the outside influences. Vritti means to spin or to whirl, our agitations, our impulses, our urges. It is said that we can control the rising of the mind into ripples. If we can do that, we will experience yoga. Nothing to do with downward dog, headstands, or any of the asanas or poses. If we can harness the power of our mind, we will achieve enlightenment. Yoga is to control our mind. Whatever we decide in our mind will be or will happen. Whatever we are looking for, we will find. And I have a short video that I will post at the end of this that is absolute proof that whatever we are looking for, we will find, and it is reflected back to us. How can we help our mind? We can help our mind through the practice of meditation. This is another sutra that I really like. Tajjapas, takavtha, bhvanham. Whatever you will repeat, you will become. When we use our mantras are sacred things that we can tell ourselves over and over again. They are, in old time, they were given by a guru, but nowadays we can make our own mantra, but we are to keep them quiet into ourselves, and we are to repeat them with our rosary if you're Catholic or if you're Christian, or we can repeat them with malabis to keep track of how many times we're repeating our mantra to ourselves. These words, our mantra, is extremely powerful. Your words will become your life. Whatever we are manifesting, we will achieve. What do you want to become? How do you want to live your life? How do you want your life to be? Do your words match your actions? I bet whatever you're saying to yourself matches your actions, and what you do is going to be what you become. So how do we obtain enlightenment or peace? One way we can obtain enlightenment or peace and true yoga is by meditating. The sutras tell us when we meditate, we should expect chitta vritti, this disturbances of the mind. Things will pop up and attempt to distract us. And this is normal. There will be one day that we feel, I got this meditation down, I feel really calm. I can't believe the amount of time that passed while I was in meditation. And then the next day, it will be back to feeling like this isn't working. But we are promised that there is no present, there is no future, there is only the now, and we can always start again. Atha Yoga Anusha Anum. There is only now. This is the most auspicious time, and if you follow these instructions, you will achieve true yoga. That very first sutra, which is my absolute favorite. Through all the sutras, we can learn to create that union between mind and body, to unite. We can raise our vibration. We can do all these things through meditation. I will take you now through a quick meditation practice. Gently close down your eyes. You can sit in a chair or on the floor with your back erect. Your chin in a neutral position to the floor, parallel to the floor, or slightly tipped down to your chest. Your palms can be palm down on your thigh or palms up, yogi's choice. Just settle in here, relax through your shoulders, relax through the space between your brows, and take a big breath in and a long, slow breath out. If you already have a mantra, you can repeat that mantra now if you'd like. Or if you'd like just a moment to settle in here, that's fine too. Acknowledge the sounds that you may hear. Acknowledge the thoughts that may come up and allow them to pass. Just as clouds pass in the sky. Just pass by. You can start to maybe count your breath. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay with that count. With each breath out, allow your shoulders to relax. And we can do a little body scan starting at our feet. Feel your toes. Then feel your feet. Moving up through our calves, our knees, our thighs, still with our eyes closed, feeling the relaxation. Feel your belly, your back body. Feel your shoulders relax. Feel your triceps, your biceps be heavy. Feel your forearms. Feel your palms, whether they're facing up or down on your thighs. Feel your neck, your jaw. Release any tension that you may have there. Release any tension between your eyebrows. Now in your mind's eye, envision yourself. See yourself there. Envision yourself engulfed in a white light. See yourself happy. Maybe raise the corners of your mouth. If you have a mantra now, you can repeat it to yourself. Again, your mantra may be, I am love. I am kind. Maybe I receive love and I give love. Keep your eyes closed. I wish you peace, love, and happiness. May you practice a few of these sutras. May you find peace in your life. May you find yoga. May you find union between your mind and your body. I leave you here. Namaste.